Morning folks, welcome back to Sam's Budget Guitars. How you all doing? Hope you're well. So this morning we've got another unboxing video. We've got another pedal to unbox from SubZero, from Gear for Music. So this is the SubZero SNOWSTORM pedal Distortion. So let's get it open and let's take a look at it. So it's the mini pedal, so nicely packaged. As I said, from Gear for Music. This is on sale. Excuse me. A bit of man flu going on here. Let's do this wrapper. Comes with some kind of instruction manual. I think this would be, or instruction manual piece of sheet. There you go. Don't need that. And it comes with like a rubber feet thing to put on the bottom so it doesn't slide all over the place, but we're not going to put that on there just yet. Right, here we go. So yeah, as I said, these are on sale right now. Gear for Music $19.99 plus you choose your delivery. So I paid $4.99 delivery, so £25 in all. Right, so it's metal casing, slim mini pedal. So we've got a just give me 1 second. Glasses. Old and blind here. Old and blind. So we've got tone on the left. You got your distortion on the right. You got your level, big white button in the middle. You got your switch in the middle, which is for crunch and normal sound, and then you obviously stomper switch. Guitar in, guitar out, and 9-volt electric lead needs to go in. No battery in this one. So there we go. So let's get this plugged in. Let's see how it sounds. Right, okay, so we've got this SubZero SNOWSTORM Distortion pedal set up. I've got the dial set to 12 o'clock and the switch is down to normal. So this is my clean sound. Let's see, let's give this some power. Let's see how it sounds now with everything set to 12 o'clock. Okay, so let's put this on crunch. Let's see how that sounds. Just keep adjusting everything. Put that back to normal. I'm turning this one up to about 2 o'clock. Do this in the middle position. Neck position. Let's turn this up a bit and this one up a bit. Put some crunch on it. In the bridge position. Middle position. Let's turn it back to normal. Because I'm not allowed to have the amp up loud, I can't really get the full extent of the tones out of them, because I only have a cardboard bloody box of a flat. But we try our best. I'm going to turn this left one, which is the tone, all the way to the top. Let's put the distortion all the way up and switch it down to normal. So I think it sounds better on normal. So we'll take that down, put the level up a bit. Okay, so I noticed when this distortion is turned up, it's really rather loud. So yeah, there you go. So that's the SubZero SNOWSTORM Distortion pedal from Gearful Music, on sale at the minute. Don't worry, I'm not sponsored by them. I'm not trying to sell it to you, nothing like that. I bought this with my own money. This is my own opinion, my own thing of it. So yes, not bad. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to create two different pedal boards, one with the MIDI pedals, stompers, and one with the Behringer pedal boards. So when I've got all the pedals I need, I will be making some new pedal boards in the new year. So yeah, so let me know in the comments what you think of this pedal and the sound. And excuse my coughing all the time, but yeah, I've got man flu. So yeah, please remember to subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, because it helps with the channel. And yeah, keep it goth, keep it real, and you all have a good weekend. I'll catch you in the next video. Right, take care, stay safe. I'm out of here.